My name is Shereitta Myrick, and I'm a digital diva, and I am the owner of Assured Purpose Digital Creative Agency. Assured Purpose is a multifunctional company. We focus on web design, web maintenance. We also do promotional items, basically anything to help get your business started and functioning online. What really got me to go harder with it was the fact that it was so hard for me to learn these things, and I wanted to be that type of agency or company that not only did I just sell people stuff, that I also educated them. One of the things that I like about GoDaddy's Hub is the fact that I can log in and I can see all of my clients on one screen. It's very accommodating to not only a web designer or a business owner. It just makes running your business overall so much easier. I was going to school to do health information technology, and then I had an accident where I no longer could hold down like a 9-to-5 job if I couldn't stand up like on my feet for a long period of time. The support system I had letting me know that that wasn't the end. Yes, it happened to you, but you have to keep going. I just started building my business and got into learning how to do the websites. You got a choice to choose whatever it is that you want to do, and as long as it's something that you like doing, I always feel like as an entrepreneur it feels like you're really not working. So I'm about to get ready to start working, just waiting on my computer to finish doing a few updates, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my day. I get to help people not only build their vision, but their stories, virtually bring their story to life for the world to see. I'm helping people do something that they've always wanted to do or just didn't know how to do it, and also helping them get their business out there to the world.